Introducing the EagleTac M30LC2. You'll notice at the bottom here the upgrade, XML2, not U2, but U3. Andrew Amanda is getting rid of their stock and gave it to me at a killer price. This is XML2-U3, and it's going to do a little dance for us. Nice belt clip. Momentary on, tactical. So here we are, we're doing night shots with the cats and the EagleTac M30, which I can't hold very well right now. Very powerful, very throwy. With the upgraded XML2-U3 emitter, I'm getting 1,230 lumens and a throw of about 78,688, if I did that right. Very impressed with the output. It is full constant current regulation, unlike a lot of lights which are only moderately current controlled. This does not dim. Very bright, and the tint is a strongly cool white, XML2-U3 cool white emitter. Let's go down the street here. Actually, it looks to me much brighter than some of the newer XP emitter tints. For some reason, because it's so cool white and gives it very good range. See, it goes all the way down the street easily. And of course, this has the tactical feature. Very blindingly bright. You don't see that yellow corona that you see in this video. It's not there in real life. So here we have the tactical momentary on. That's the tail cap switch, which the way it should be. If you want to change the modes, you have to do the twist the head, which is the way it should be, because you don't want accidentally the light freaking accidentally coming on in different modes. I'm so tired of these newfangled crappy lights that have the wait 2 seconds or 4 seconds so that you can have to memorize the mode. That is such utter crap. Regulation, there is no excuse for a light to start dimming gradually on you. It needs to have current regulation. This does. The EagleTac, and because of the reliability and stuff like current regulation, makes this a monstrously cool addition to your collection. I got this at Andrew Amanda. This was a clearance. If you go to select the XML2-U3 version, I actually selected the base model, and they sent me the kit with the silver. God, these cats are everywhere tonight. They're just roaming all over the house. So I do recommend this very strongly. M30 light, I got it for 68 bucks, free shipping. It was 2-day overnight through FedEx, or two-day shipping with FedEx. I put on the tip here, the rubber tip, for so you don't accidentally activate it. Super bright, current regulated. I like the other modes. There's no pulse width modulation. This is now one of my favorite lights of all. I know it's a little bit older. It came out in about 2015 or 14, I think. Look at that. Super bright, very throwy, very good hotspot. Awesome. Totally recommended. All right, have fun.